Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip hop dance online. If you want to learn hip hop dance and don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Please like and subscribe to this channel. We release videos just like this every Tuesday. If you're looking to take your dance to the next level, let me coach you, and the information and link to that is down below in the description box. In this video, we're going to learn 5 moves for small spaces. The way it goes is I teach you the move, then we do the move together with music, and then at the very end, we put all 5 steps together in a pattern. All right, let's go. The first small space move we're going to learn is called the slide step, and it looks like this. So the slide step looks very similar to the 2-step, except you're just adding a slide. So the slide step involves 2 steps: the right tap, left tap. So the first move is a step with the slide. So it's step with the slide, and then that second motion is the tap. Step, slide, tap. I step with my right, slide with my left, tap left, step with my left, slide right, tap right. So whatever foot I'm sliding with, I tap. Tap right, tap left, tap right, tap left, tap right, tap left, tap right, tap left. I slide my left, slide my right, slide my left, slide my right. Put it together. Slide, step, slide, step, slide, step, slide, step. All right, now let's put it to music. The second small space move we're going to do is called the grapevine. And this is a very common move that you see in many social dance spaces, and it looks like this. So the grapevine is a pattern that goes side to side. It goes right to left. And if we want to just separate and just think of what's happening with our feet, we're basically alternating right, tap, left, right, tap, right, tap, left, tap. Now this time we step behind after we initiate that step out. So we're stepping out right, step behind left, step out right, tap together, left foot. Now we're going to the left foot initiates. Step out, step behind, step out, and then together. Okay, so 4 steps to each side. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going right, left, to the left, right, left. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you want to spice it up a bit, we're going to add a little bounce and a rock. So instead of just using the steps and having this straight upright motion with our torso, we want to add that bounce with the knee and a tiny, tiny little rock. So instead of stepping, we want to bounce our knees and then rock our torso. This is extra credit, you know what I'm saying? So we want to be able to add some mustard and ketchup to that move. We're going to the side and then to the side. Let's do one more time and to the side. That's the grapevine. So let's try it to music. small space move we're gonna do is called a kick salsa step or a kickball change. And it involves 3 motions in our feet, and it looks just like this. So I'll show you with the feet first. The arms, they're not mandatory, but we'll do a little extra credit moment to add some sauce to that. So with our feet, like I mentioned earlier, there's 3 gestures going on. You're kicking, so I'm using my right foot. You're gonna kick right. That same foot that kicks, drop it down and bend the knees slightly. And then with the left foot, it opens. Now, when you open, most of my weight is on that right foot. The foot that kicks, my weight is on that right foot. So I can almost lift my left foot up. So let's just do that one side. You're going kick, middle, bending the knees, side. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, 8, kick, middle, side. Again, most of my weight is on the right side. Now we're going to transition and do the pattern to the left. That leg is extended. Now you're going to kick, bring it down, bend both knees, and then the same thing, step out to the right. Most of our weight is on the left side this time. So again, repeating the left side, we're going kick left, drop down middle, bend the knees, extend the right. So let's put that together super slow. So we're doing kick salsa step. This is a form of a top rock step. We're going right side, then left side. Right leg first, 7, slow, kick, middle, out, then left side, kick, middle, out. Don't forget to bend the knees, kick, middle, out. A little faster. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Faster. We're going 1, 2, 3. And a 1, 2, 3. And a 1, 2, 3. And a 1, 2, 3. To do a little bit of extra credit in our hands, you can play with different shapes or do even a little salsa arms. But if you want to add some sauce to this move, go ahead and do some gestures. So what I'm going to play with is I'm going to play with arms extending out and then arms playing with the salsa gestures, and it looks like this. All right, now let's try it to music. The fourth small space we're going to do is called a happy feet two-step. Two-step happy feet variation, and it looks like this. So this two-step happy feet variation has 2 gestures, 2 steps. So with the first gesture, we're basically stepping forward and then hopping forward. I'm starting with my right foot. I step forward with my heel. So I dig down with my heel and I do a baby hop, a very small baby hop forward. Hop, okay? And then when I do that small hop, my weight is on the front foot and I can easily lift my back foot. So those are the 2 steps that you do. Heel forward, hop forward. Then you do the same thing on the other side. Heel forward, hop forward. Now, when you do these steps continuously, you're gonna step in a diagonal. So you're not necessarily doing it front, but you're slightly stepping on a diagonal where your hips are slightly facing the side as well. So I'm facing the side, my hips are facing the right, I hop on my right foot. Now twist the hip a little bit, dig my left foot, hop to the left. Right, hop, left, hop. And if I can show you sideways, I'm hopping forward. So I don't stay in the same position. I do a mini travel when I hop forward. A mini travel when I hop forward. Mini travel, mini travel. So let's try one full 8 count in that tempo. A 6, a 5, 6, right foot first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit faster. A 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try it with music. The fifth and final small space move we're gonna do is a 3-step happy feet variation. And the 3-step happy feet variation looks like this. So think of the 3-step happy feet variation, just adding an extra step to that 2-step happy feet variation. The 3-step starts with our toe digging down to the floor or stepping, our toe stepping down and our knee comes in. So think of the inside of your foot or your shoelace facing in, and then you move forward with that 2-step happy feet. 1, 2. So let's try that again. You step with your toe first. Step in, knees in, heel, hop. That's the 3-step happy feet variation. So putting that together without any pauses, you're going 1, 2, 3. Or just think of the toe, then 2-step. It's the toe in and then the 2-step. So you're doing 3 gestures. Do the same thing on the other side. Toe is going in, and then you move forward with that 2-step happy feet that we just learned. Again, left side, my toe goes in, my knee is in, and my heel is out. 2-step happy feet. So I'm gonna do it in 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it slow first. Here we go. Toe, heel, hop. I'm already in this position, so now you can just easily step out, keeping that same position into the 2-step. Again, toe, heel, out, toe, heel, each side. One more time, toe, heel, out. Don't forget to hop forward, toe, heel, baby hop forward. So let's try that again, slightly faster. And I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 counts. And here we go, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna do it with descriptive words. Here we go. Toe, heel, hop. Toe, heel, hop. Toe, heel, hop. Toe, heel, hop. A little bit faster. This tempo, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Toe, heel, hop. Toe, heel, hop. Yeah. Now let's try it to music. All righty, try it to music. All right, y'all, now we're at the point we're gonna put all 5 steps together in a pattern with the music. So we're gonna put it in the order that we learned it. We're gonna do the slide step, grapevine, kick salsa, two-step, and three-step. And we're gonna put those 5 moves together in a pattern one time, rest for an 8 count, and then we're gonna do it again. All right, here we go. Let's try it out. Woohoo! We made it. Hope you like this video. And if this is something you're looking for, we post videos just like this every Tuesday. If you liked my teaching style, let me coach you personally, and the information for that is in the link down below. Please like and subscribe to this channel. See you next week.